Good morning, Caitlin, and thank you for inquiring about the Genesis. My name is Mark Hodson, and I'm going to be your designated salesperson. You wasn't specific on what colour or trim you wanted. As you can see, I have 3 sitting here on the lot now. So let me tell you more about the warranties we offer here at Tameron. We offer you 5 years, 60,000 miles new car warranty. We also offer you 10 years, 100,000 miles powertrain, which we exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles. We also give you 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. So Caitlin, please give me a call. My number is 205-720-6581. We've got some great end of the month sales going on. I'd love to get you in to take you for a test drive in your new Genesis. Thank you very much.